Ramadan is a month of deep reflection, sacrifice, and spiritual renewal, where millions come together to observe fasting, prayer, and acts of kindness. Families gather for Suhoor, the pre-dawn meal, a time for love, togetherness, and preparing for the fast. Each day begins with prayer, a moment to connect with the divine, set intentions, and remember those less fortunate. The fast teaches patience, empathy, and compassion. As the sun sets, Iftar arrives, a moment of joy, celebration, and gratitude. Ramadan is a time for giving, helping the less fortunate, and growing closer to the community. The month is filled with unity, kindness, and faith. As it draws to a close, the heart is full of gratitude, and the soul is at peace. Ramadan leaves a lasting mark, a time of purification, reflection, and renewal. It's more than a month, it's a journey of the heart, reminding us of the importance of family, faith, and community. May we carry the spirit of Ramadan long after the moon has waned.